So let's take a look at how to make use of required fields in your GraphQL query. So go to graphqlhub.com and here choose this GitHub API browser. Okay, in new tab you will get this query browser. Okay, you can remove the defaults. Okay, and just add curly brackets. Now here we are going to call for GitHub API. Okay, now here I want to check repo. Okay, and let's say for repo I'm going to make use of Express.js user account, and they have Express repository. So here let's first start with name. Okay, here the name of repository is Express. Okay, this is the required field. If you don't pass this name and owner username, okay, so owner username is Express.js. If you don't pass these two and try to say just make queries such as ID and name, then you will have some errors. For example, let's say if I remove this, okay, and try to run it, should cause the error here. Okay, as you can see, it shows the error that syntax error, GraphQL request, expected name found none. Okay, and you get no output. Now, if you put this data here and run this, then you get exactly the details you want. Okay, so what are some of the required fields? Usually you know this by checking out the documentation for a particular API. Okay, so let's say we are on GitHub API. Here you have field repo, which has name and owner username. Both are strings, and you get to know about that through the documentation. So always refer to documentation and check out what fields you are supposed to check before getting any results back through your query. So this is short introduction to your required field in GraphQL query.